guys, ako po si Tiro ako 7 at si Chip po ang kasama ko. Nice. Philippines! Philippines! Pip, pilip, pip, pip. Ito po yung kasama ko po yung nag-uusap si ano pangalan mo? Ezra po. Maglalaro po kami ng Ella. Ito po okay. Pinatay po niya yung voice. So, okay. Let's go. Wala pa? Wala pang game? Ito. 99.
Tagal ng Selena.
Ayun na. Nice.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. Need it for 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the batteries. Deploy. Smash them.
I will protect the good and people around me.
So, ipausap ko muna yung nagagamit kay Chip, si Ezra, ang friend ko na kasama ko ito. Hello! Kasi mo. Hello! Yan, mas maganda. Okay guys, tumahimik na tayo.
Are they trying to kill me?
Play na.
I thought this was just a game.
Salamat.
I don't bend or break. Life is bittersweet. Living with light and darkness.
Ito po yung kasama ko si Chip. Yung kasama ko ngayon.
I'd rather lose than stop fighting.
Guys!
Losing
Traitor siya.
control.
Ano siya? Dyan.
It's perfect for practice. Can't wait for another round.
Okay. Samayin ko muna yung kasama ko dun si Ezra, yung nakagamit ng chip. Okay, let's go.
This is getting exciting.
Maya lang. Tayo mo. Yes, guys.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Ally
Patay
has
si
been
Chip.
slain.
Ako, ay, tulog.
Good game. Request backup.
Nice na.
Understood.
Nice one.
My fist,
Nandyan
your
siya.
face. Brace yourself. Catch these fists.
Wow.
An enemy has been slain.
Grabe naman sila, oh. Kagamit pa ako ng yun. Kala ko malapit.
Just another scar.
Ally has been slain. Ally has
Ako
been
mananalo
slain.
yan. Sige, guys. At sasabihin ko, never back down, everyone! Lakasin mo. Lakasin mo mamaya. Never give up!
Gather up the turtle. Understood.
Wait.
Ult is ready.
Yung ultimate ko po, pwede na po. Okay.
Lie and I are two sides of the same
Sige.
coin.
An ally has
Okay.
slain
Sige,
the turtle.
punta na ako dyan. Saglit lang.
Ally has been slain.
I don't bend or break.
Maya, saglit lang. Antayin mo ako.
Good game.
Yan na po si Ezra.
Wait,
Hanap
are
ko
they
na po.
trying to kill me?
Ano po?
I thought this was just a game.
Zilong. 5 minutes na lang po. Kuya,
No matter what, I will never yield.
dyan na.
An enemy has been slain.
Sige, sige. I-attack.
This is getting exciting.
Ayaw, alam ko, hindi pa ka. The turret, energy, ano yan? Ano daw? Hop, 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 sap, sap, saps. May kalaban dyan, may kalaban. May kayo tume. Woo! Okay, magli-level 6 na yan.
Slain an enemy.
Settle that.
One, let's go! Sige, dun na muna tayo sa
Get it together, Ian.
6. Okay,
Our
punta na
turret
tayo
has
dun
been
sa-
destroyed.
Dito lang. Oh, Ezra, kala ko dito ka lagi sa mid. Ah, sige. Woo! Oh, nagalaban. Patayin ko na.
Leah and I are two sides of the same.
Has been slain.
The turtle.
Our turret is under attack.
Ito lang yung sisi ko.
Launch attack.
Ano ba? Ano yan? Attacking siya?
I'll take the bomb.
Woo! Yan na. Okay. Mia, patay ka sebo.
Double kill.
Ay! Ay na ako!
An ally has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain. Down.
Tapos ako!
Put down Melissa's
Oh, wiped out! Nice
Good game.
one!
Life is bittersweet.
Live ako,
Light
ako!
and darkness.
Sige. Nice
Cool down a
one.
bit.
Pero 1 kill lang ako. Dalawa lang yung namamatay ko. Sige. Buti ba?
Beware of ambush.
I don't bend or break.
Sige. Sige, nalalakas maka tips asa naman kami.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Life is bittersweet. Living with light and darkness.
An ally has been slain.
Wait, are they trying to kill me? I thought this was just a game.
Sige. Whoops! Slow ako, slow. Ayan, nag-heal.
My fist in your face.
An ally has been slain.
Mo ko.
An enemy has been slain.
This is
Ilan na ba
getting
yung
exciting.
mo?
Kill.
Ay, dalawa, sige. Shoot! Kung ako kaya ko sa pamatayin. Kaya, gagamitin ko yung CC ko.
No matter what, I will never yield.
Sige. Oh!
To my defense.
Patay na siya. Patay na siya, oh. Patay na si Chow. Ah, gabi ko na sa kill ko. Putang ina.
Control.
Grabe naman ito.
Slain.
Okay, so panin. Wag going. Thank you.
Destroy the turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Bakit pangalan ni Chip?
Our turret
Chip.
has been destroyed.
Kainin ko na lang si Chip.
Ally has been
Siya.
slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
I'd rather lose than stop fighting.
Ako na, Ezra.
Ally has been slain.
Mamaya, tingnan ko pa kung kaya ko papatayin yung mga kalaban. Oh, no. Nagkukuha ko nila. Patay na yan. kills pa lang ikaw. 3 kills na ako. Pero patayin naman ako. Nice one.
Just
Sige,
another
Ezra,
scar.
sama ako sa'yo. Ezra, sama ako sa'yo.
Unstable network. Unstable network.
No matter what, I will never yield. Well, that settles
Double
that.
kill.
Okay,
Don't
guys.
look too deep, or you just might find me.
Ako mananalo po kami dito. Sobrang lahat po.
My fist, your face.
Kailangan ko mag-heal.
Inner demons take over.
Okay. Yung
Let's talk with our fist.
mag-ambush ka?
Request backup. Understood.
Sasama ko sa ganyan. Yung aso. Birds! Sorry guys, yung aso lang yung sinistorbo po. Birds! Wala. Sige guys,
Brace yourself.
Your team destroyed a turret. Double kill.
Let's go, MVP na ito.
Team destroyed.
Victory na ito. Victory na
Killing
ito.
spree.
My fist, your face.
Let's go, guys. Woo! Naya ko na.
Victory.
Baka maubos yung storage ko. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow.